In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect URL in Blogger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to blogger.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, go ahead and click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details and access your Blogger dashboard, often referred to as the Blogger home. Once you're in the Blogger home, you should see a list of all your blogs. Choose the blog where you want to set up the URL redirect. After selecting your blog, you'll be taken to its dashboard. Now from the left sidebar, locate the settings option and click on it. This is where you'll find all the configurations you can tweak for your blog. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down and look for the section labelled Errors and Redirects. This section is crucial as it helps manage where your blog visitors end up if they try to access a non-existent or changed URL. Click on Errors and Redirects to expand the options available. In the expanded section you will see Custom Redirects. Click on that. This feature allows you to create a specific path from one URL to another of your choice. It's incredibly useful for directing traffic accurately and efficiently. To begin setting up your redirect, click on the ADD button, which you'll find within the Custom Redirects section. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter the from and to URLs. In the from field, input the path of the old URL that you want to redirect. It's important to remember that you only need to enter the path and not the full URL of your blog. Then in the to field, enter the new path where you want the visitors to be redirected. Again, just the path will suffice. Be precise with these entries to ensure your redirect functions correctly. Once you've inputted both URLs, don't forget to check the box that says permanent if you want this to be a long-term redirect. This indicates to search engines that the URL has permanently moved, which is vital for maintaining your SEO rankings. After double checking everything, go ahead and click save, and that's it. You've successfully set up a URL redirect in Blogger. This feature is a small but mighty tool in enhancing your blog's navigation and upkeep. Maintaining clear and accurate links will help improve user experience and preserve your site's visibility in search engine rankings. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.